This backpack is nice. Yeah, I like it, but I'm going to use it for travel, not for daily use. Yes, so I'm going to, yeah, you know, also it comes with this. The same like those luxury bag that you're going to see in the luxury shopping mall. It comes with this bag. Yeah, so I will put it in there and they will keep inside. And to keep it there. I have been here for 3 days now and today is actually my day off. Yeah, still I didn't able to clean the apartment. This is what I wore last night, 2 days ago. Yeah, I'm going to do the laundry tomorrow. And this is going to be my, yeah, this is my daily backpack. And I have some mess here. Yeah, I was watching TV this morning. My socks, things are here, messy here. The other backpack, iPad. I came from the grocery and I bought this. Look at that, super messy. It is hot today, so I have this electric fan. Let's check what is the temperature. It's more than 30 degrees, maybe that's 40, I'm not sure, or 35 something. I just eat the Skyflakes thing. I am actually uploading a video and this thing messy. Yeah, most of these electronics and accessories for GoPro I'm going to put there. Yeah, I'm just going to play the music and then I will start to clean, organize these things. Even the toilet is like this, a little dirty. Look at that. Yeah, messy, mate. So this is my camera. I'm actually using a GoPro Hero 7, if you don't know yet. Yeah, and we'll see you later. It's a little bit organized now. Yeah. The time now is 7 o'clock. Actually 7:20, no, 7:10. But outside is still like this. The sun is still up there. I'm actually feeling like going to the beach, swim a bit. But yeah, look at this. This is a Woolworth trolley. Yeah. Do you know that the Woolworth, you know, the grocery trolley here in Australia, they are still free. You don't need to put any coins or something like that. If you compare in Dubai or in another city, you need to put coins for you to be able to use the trolley. Nice. Like what I've said, most of the things here in Australia are still free. Using the toilet. If you go to Europe, most of the toilet in Europe, public toilet in Europe, even in Southeast Asia, you need to put coins to be able to use it, or yeah, you need to pay. You know, the trolley is already far from Woolworth, maybe like, you know, like a 15 minutes walk to the Woolworth, but it's there. Yeah, so there is an event going on in the center, and I checked on Google that around Australia there are several events related to Australia National Day. Particularly in Sydney, they have a very big events. How do we make holy water? We boil the hell out of it. This hat will help me to cover the sun. It is now 9:30. According to the website that I checked, that there was a parade 9 o'clock in here. I don't know if that's happened already. Maybe. So many people there having their meal. Yeah, look at these. There's so many fish, and they are already big like that. You know, I am thinking of having a breakfast there in the usual one, but there is one newly opened restaurant here, and just yesterday I think they are serving breakfast. Restaurant, when I left, there's a long queue. I was supposed to get a cappuccino, but yeah, because of the long line, long waiting for sure, I didn't stay. I am going to take a cappuccino here. It is almost every day that is having this water park here, and yeah, we'll just have a quick look. And as expected, always a lot of people in this beach. I also have a towel in my backpack, but you know, I'm not going to squeeze myself with a lot of people there. When you're walking, you feel more into it compared to if you are in the bike or if you are in the car. Yeah, you really feel what is in if you are walking just like this. There is a live band, something, and the market. Okay, it is nice. We're going to walk around there. Look at this. They have this I don't know, but basically they are horse. Nice. And on this side they have a small pig and another kind of animals. I think it's alpaca, lapaca, I don't know. Yeah, we don't have that in the Philippines. Yeah, we're going back there later, and I can see here that there are many shops like a Changi. Now the music they are playing is so nice. If I am going home now, I'm going to take one of these, but I'm not yet going home. I want to give one to my landlord and one for the house. Yeah, classic car. When I was in Dubai, I used to, to watch something like this. They have more in there. For sure, all those are coming from other countries. Maybe coming from Australia, coming from Europe, something like that. It is good to see something like this. Amazing. They managed to preserve their cars. For sure they are still usable, they are still working. This maybe is my favorite, this one. This one for sure is still new. There are more here. And this is actually just here. You know, you always see me passing in this way. This is their firefighter, bombero. There are so many equipments, tools, they use things inside there. But where are the water actually? And then here there are some like traditional tools. Oh, look, that's still working. And there are more here. So basically that's it. This is the events here in the celebration of the Australia Day. And you know, the program will keep on going until 4 o'clock. There will be many performers, singer, dancer. Yeah.
The boa constrictor will give birth to live young. So what she does is once she's laid her eggs, she'll wrap around them, vibrate to keep them nice and warm so they hatch.
Yeah, the program up there will continue until 4 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken. You know, I've seen a lot of events that is similar to this one, like gathering of people, public events, something like that. But you know, I am afraid, I am scared to come in to see it because I feel that I don't belong. But actually it is open for everyone.